In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt view in Smartsheet. If you've ever wanted a clear, visual timeline of your work, Gantt view in Smartsheet is the simplest way to see who's doing what, when it's happening, and how tasks relate to each other. We'll keep this straightforward and focused so you can get in, switch the view, and immediately understand what you're looking at. Start by opening your sheet. At the very top of the sheet, you'll notice a set of options that control how your information is displayed. One of these is a drop-down menu whose name matches the view you're currently using. For many sheets, that might say something like Grid, Card, or Calendar. Click that drop-down and then choose Gantt from the list. That's it. Your sheet instantly switches to Gantt view. Now, let's make sense of what you're seeing. On the left, you still have your familiar rows with task names and columns like start date, end date, duration, and percent complete, depending on how your sheet is set up. On the right, you'll see a timeline that runs across days, weeks, or months. Each task appears as a horizontal bar, positioned according to its start and end dates. Longer bars represent longer durations, and tasks that start later appear further to the right. If your sheet uses milestones, those are tasks with zero duration, they often appear as small diamond shapes on the timeline. If dependencies are set up, you may notice lines connecting tasks, visually showing what needs to finish before something else can begin. One important note, switching to Gantt view doesn't change your data. It just presents the same information in a timeline format. If a task doesn't have the necessary date fields filled in, it may not appear as a bar on the chart. That's normal. Gantt view relies on start and end dates to draw each task on the timeline. You might also see color variations or shading on bars that reflect things like percent complete, giving you a quick sense of progress without digging into the details. Gantt view is especially useful for planning phases of a project, coordinating handoffs between team members, and communicating schedules to stakeholders. It gives you an at-a-glance understanding of overlaps, bottlenecks, and critical timing using the same underlying sheet you already know. So to recap, at the top of your sheet, find the View drop-down that shows your current view, click it, and choose Gantt. You'll immediately see your work laid out on a timeline, ready to interpret and share.